Hi, my name is Des from Edmonton, Alberta. I am reviewing the Garmin Dash Cam 46, which I've put to use. This camera is really powerful, and as you can see, it's very compact, very small, but it's got a lot of, it's packed with a lot of features. And one of the most things that I like about this camera is just the compact nature, so it doesn't take a lot of space when you hang it in your car. Also, it has a very good suction, one piece that's kind of like stuck in the windshield of your vehicle, and you just put this other part there, this magnetic part, it just clicks, and it's very very sturdy and very strong. One of the things I really like about the camera is the fact that it has a voice command, so you don't have to uh, talk about use your hands to give commands or whatever, or while you're driving you get distracted. So you just use your voice to command the camera, and it does whatever you want it to do. Okay, it also has uh, a voice. I mean, beside the voice command, it also has a lane departure warning and also as well as a forward collision warning. These two features are really powerful. So when you're off the road, or even when you just slightly off the road backing, so it kind of like beeps to let you know that you kind of like you're departing from the lane. Beside that too, like when you're approaching a vehicle very fast or very close, it also alerts you and lets you know that perhaps you're going too fast, or you're getting too close to the vehicle in front of you. So, and it also provides this videos in quality HD, which is very powerful. And also, it has an app called the Garmin Drive App. So once you download that in your app, it's very easy to sync it, and it does really help. And that way too, you can review your videos on your phone or on the computer as you want. Another feature too that I like about this camera, this dashcam camera, is the fact that it has a red alert at intersection. So when you're approaching an intersection and there's a red light or something, so it tells you, and it also tells you how much distance you got to drive to get to the position. So it's a very good camera. That it's compact. It's packed with a lot of features, and it starts recording the minute you start a vehicle. So it's really powerful. So I'd recommend it for any person that really wants a dash cam for their vehicle. Thank you very much. I would recommend the Garmin Dash Cam 46 to family and friends, just simply because of its very compact nature, and also all the awesome features it's packed with. It's got the forward collision warning, the lane departure warning, the go alert, the voice command, and also it records the minute you start driving. So it's really an awesome camera. So I'll definitely recommend it to family and friends.